meet the beast.
So there's Racer, and there is the area. See footers. That must be where the station's going right here. Those are some heavy duty footers. So this is clearly a coaster. Look at that over there. I think that's a really big footer section there. Yeah, that's clearly station transfer track. So I must go out off into the distance there, turn around and come back or something. So it's probably like an outback. So it is probably like that Amusement Insiders rendering, if that is what this is. I'm not confirming that this is a Giga because nobody knows what it is. Yes.
Did you guys hear about the new ride? That one?
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah, right over there.
Yes.
Yeah, right over there.
Yes.
Yeah, right over there.
Yes.
Oh, it's confirmed? So, can you say this for my fans? You want me to edit that out?
Yeah, you're fine.
That's a 300-foot Larson loop. What are you talking about? It's not nothing. You just going to Valley View.
Uh-oh, I don't know if she was supposed to tell me that.
It's good. I mean, it was good.
I'll cut you out of the video if you want. But this is probably going on YouTube, so.
I'll look you up on YouTube.
Coasterlocity, like Travelocity.
Got you.
Instagram and YouTube, yeah.
Got you.
I don't know when the video will be up, but
Is this your first time being here?
yeah, well, this is the second day, but yeah.
Oh, that's good. Have you done all the rides so far?
Most of them. We haven't done this or Ghoster Coaster or the little junior family invert, but we've done all the major ones. The Beast at Night was like the best thing we've done on the trip so far.
Did you guys do Mystic Timbers?
I love Mystic Timbers.
I do too. My first time riding it was yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
I was not expecting how fast it was. Like I could not keep my body, my arms, and everything on my head and going this way and that way. And I'm like, I thought the Mystic Timber was going to be very boring. It's like Stevenson, the Shed. I'm like,
oh, that was just goofy.
Exactly.
Like,
the Shed was really goofy.
Yeah.
The ride itself was.
It just feels like out of control and like wild, and
Yes.
especially at night. Like it's so good at night.
It is. Oh my goodness, it is.
Yeah, I'd say it's probably my favorite GCI, maybe first or second favorite GCI coaster. They make good ones. They all feel like that. They're like wild and out of control and constant, you know.
Yeah. Well, hopefully you're here for the new ride that's gonna get built. Yes, the entire land, that land down there, and over here, there's like more land over there. That's gonna take up all of that.
Oh, so like this spot
Yes.
that's green?
Yes.
Okay.
It's gonna take up all of that.
Yeah, Gigas are fun. I've been on Fury 325 at Carowinds and Intimidator 305 at King's Dominion. Yeah, and we're gonna ride Millennium Force in a few days. So I've been on a couple of Gigas and be on 3 out of the 4 in North America by the end of this trip.
Hopefully Kings Island comes up with some new more gigas because we need the updates.
It's not very likely they'll come up with multiple ones. They're very, very expensive coasters. But I mean, at least you guys get them. Six Flags doesn't install them, so it's only you really get them only at Cedar Fair. Like Carowinds, Kings Island, Canada's Wonderland, Cedar Point, now here, and everybody's going nuts for it. This was really good too. I love Diamondback.
Diamondback, yes. They're actually doing tests right now. Yeah.
It looks open. I see people on it. That splashdown is so cool.
So crazy because I'm going that so fast. They literally just opened it. It was not open.
Oh, they just opened
They
it?
just opened it up. Wasn't even open for long. That entire line is so packed.
That line is long. Look at that.
Oh, you should stick around for the Halloween hunt soon. Yeah. Close down Kings Island and get ready for that.
That would be nice, but I have to do.
I don't know if I'll be able to make it because I live in New York, so I don't know if I'll be able to come back here for Halloween. I'd most likely go southeast for the Halloween and go to Carowinds and King's Dominion and like Six Flags Over Georgia, but because it's closer than here.
Hey, you guys are gonna get a nice long one here. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for the info. Ooh, she told me it's a Giga.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be long. This is gonna be a long one. Just by the look of the.
I mean, maybe. It depends on how many times it's going to go back on itself, because Fury takes up way more land than this does.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Like, Fury is like the whole front, like, corner of the park. Like, it's like starts, like, further back away from the parking lot, goes, like, all the way out and comes back around. Yeah. So, that's the conclusion of this video. When I came across this information, I just felt like sharing, so I thought I'd put it up on YouTube. Hope you guys enjoy it. Remember, take this with a grain of salt. This girl was just a regular employee. She didn't seem like she knew everything she was talking about. I find little details like it's longer than the beast to be a little bit questionable, but, you know, or maybe it taking up more than the cleared land area, but who knows? Just not to discredit her or anything. She obviously wasn't an enthusiast, but she was excited to share the news. And I feel like that might be a reason why this information may be more credible than less. So yeah, anyways, like, comment, subscribe, and click the little bell. And when I make a new video, you'll know. I really need to come up with a clever outro, don't I? Oh well, in time. Later.